a boy that never got anything. He kept looking for his kid's window. He had a helmet with like a golden and the gold on top. And
He took it off when he was in the house.
He always took it off when he was in the house though. There was also a guard there.
He goes to bed in his boots. He takes them off if he forgets. Then he goes to bed. He wipes a knife and sleeps. Then one night, he's stabbed in the chest. He's staying home. There's a creeper boy right next to him. Knife on. Knife on.
Yeah.
Where is everybody? Oh, there you are. The turning down the tag's back on. Now you can introduce your world.
Hello guys.
We are here with Monkey Ear 644 XX Nice One XX89. Today's X is 29. And the one who's got cancer. If we can get there in time.
It's not there.
She's not here. She's in the desert. She didn't get this in. He's Yossi. She doesn't want to see us today, so... Right. Nice one.
How do you know she's in the desert?
It's all down to. It's perfect. But she is talking in the down. But I can't come in back. Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah?
Are you hungry?
Nah.
Have you been on this stove like earlier?
Yeah.
Ouch. Or did I just get hurt badly?
I don't know.
Do you want some breakfast? I mean, dinner?
Nope.
I just got tons of bread. I'm pretty sure you can in the corner bread. Okay, I'll have. Any Sharpie? Okay, I'll just go in there. Where is she? Go back. I'll see ya. I'll see you guys in the tag. Follow me.
Right there. What, she's down there? She's not down there, is she?
Hey Sharpie!
Hey Sharpie, 15, has got cancer, guys. So, we're doing the best to try and look after her.
Respect her through the last few videos. We will be doing this for 10 videos through. Hopefully longer, I accidentally killed her. But in return, this video, respect. It's having everything to do with this, but just respecting each person. The knifer.
Well, somebody's here. Shall we invite E-Sharpie to the party, yeah?
Okay.
You invite her because she's whacking there.
Yeah, E-Sharpie, yeah. What's in the face? Right, join it. I'll invite E-Sharpie. And now I'm going to invite Danny. Invite Dan. Invite people in the actual game. Oh. My first.
Yeah?
My first house.
I need food.
Go back to... I've just killed some bottom of the sea and I can't swim. I'm a bear and can't swim. Help, help. I'm gonna drown. Oh, I just like to swim the final second. Nice bird.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah, you've only just learned to swim.
He shall see the sky. He tried to survive. I wish he could survive. With the longer. I killed him. Oh yes, I got Mr. Bonus. I am killing skeletons. Give me all the arrows you got. Guys.
First, you can give me some food.
Okay, I got 15 bread for nothing, bro. Where the hell are you?
At the house.
Oh, you're right there. Oh, my spoon thing is getting spoiled. My spoon thing is getting spoiled now. Come on. Oh, this thing works. I have to survive. We're moving everything good. I've not lost anything with it. It's gone. It's dead. I'm gonna put my clothes on. Get ready for the next day. I'm gonna cook some chicken. I'm gonna 3 to 1 no chicken.
And say hello to Mortal Gamer everybody who's about to be slain for their map. Flipping that.
I've got a bow. I've got a bow.
Kill. Not allowed in the house, mate.
Do you have any arrows?
No.
Do you have any arrows?
Nah. That thing is especially not allowed in the house.
Put every arrow you have in that double chest.
I don't have any.
Oh, I've got in the double chest. Make sure it's nice I form in this double chest. But right now I've only got oh, got it.
Yeah.
Oh. I need to go inside the house right now before I get killed by a creeper, zombie, and enderman, and skeleton. I want to kill that skeleton, so the arrow versus drop. Little arrow. I need to get back to the house before I die. I am on 1.5 hearts. Sniper. Sniper.
Yeah.
Don't hit me. I'm in the house. We've got a sniper. I'm serious. Don't hit me. But everybody stay back. Keep everybody at the house. Kill. Kill the sleeping boy. Keep everybody out the house. Close the door quickly. Close the windows. Oh, thank you. Sniper.
Yep.
Keep me alive. Your trusty sidekick should not die. Oh, thanks for helping me do videos. This is like the first ever Minecraft video. Thanks.
Alright.
Hey, Sharpie. Oh, get the stuff. I want to steal it back. Give me my iron sword, Sharpie. Nathan, I want all my stuff back. Nathan, kill me, Sharpie.
No, I've got it.
Kill me, Sharpie, Nathan.
No, I've got it.
And my iron sword and my armor.
Yeah.
Move!
Well,
Move.
not your armor.
Somebody else got it. I just don't need to count. Haha, this guy's got it. This guy. Yep, this is it. I've got most of my stuff back. Hi, you.
All your stuff is in here. Apart from your iron sword, because I'm having it. I'm having your iron sword.
It doesn't matter because look at this sweet loot. Look at this sweet loot that I've got. Look what else I have. The iron sword. Look at this sweet loot with the drop. Alright, I'm never task.
Yo, guys.
Nathan, look at this armor.
Let's go, let's go.
Fix that guy. Come on. Nathan, where are we going?
I don't know, I'm going back to the
Oh
house.
yeah. This video was meant to be called Time to Strike, so that means we've got to go kill animals.
Yeah, that's
Did
correct.
you name the video Time to Strike, alright?
I've got to name it after. Who's ready to time to slay?
I want to grow some sugar cane by lava. Oh, it can't work. I love it needs to be water.
And you've got to have proof that you've killed it.
What?
That you've killed the animal.
What animal? I haven't killed any animals.
When you do. Because if it's called time to
Oh
strike.
my god, look where I placed the sugar cane. Look where I placed them. I can place them in water.
I can't, I've got to go kill some animals.
Come on then.
How many animals you get, you're going to get the same amount of me. Why? It's not a draw, and I
didn't
win.
help, I forgot how to...
Oh,
These
listen
are
up,
fun.
listen up. The next video,
I did get this much armor. No, we're still doing the first video.
yeah,
I'm sorry everybody, we've just run out of time on this video. We'll see you next episode. Can I say?